This is your perfect core workout for your first trimester. Of course, you can do this workout anytime that you feel comfortable during your pregnancy. It's just one workout that really helped me during my first trimester. My name is Rebecca Louise. I've got my certification in pregnancy workouts. So all of the workouts that you see right here are all certified. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss anything that we have going on. And I also want to let you know about our amazing free pregnancy guide. Inside of this guide, you have got all of the resources that you need to help you through your pregnancy journey and get you started and introduce you to a little bit more about Lunar Bloom and what we are here for. All right, are you ready to crush their core? Let's get started. Today we got 40 seconds of exercise, we got a 20-second rest in between. We're gonna get started first of all with pressing our heels down into the ground. We're gonna lift up through the chest, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna take little elbow taps backwards. Modified version, you're just gonna come to halfway. Most important, you know your body, so listen to your body. If you're pregnant, then you just know if you need to push it or if you need to make it lighter today. So let's bring those arms out in front, press those heels down into the ground, and here we go. Seated elbow taps, just all the way back and then squeeze. Here we go, little tap from the side and then bring yourself all the way back up again. Again, modified, just come to halfway, whatever feels good for you. And of course, you can still do these workouts if you are not pregnant because they are still gonna get you toned, working on that core and strengthening your whole body. All right, here we go. Looking so good, everybody. Tap forwards and backwards. We have got this. Just 40 seconds of exercise, lifting up through your chest. Now, I'm gonna give you cues throughout this workout that are going to give you the best results. So you've got to stay all the way to the end if you want to get those best results. Lift up and then gently release. We're going to take it into a side plank, but we're going to take it into a little fun tap in front. So come to the middle of your mat. We're going to take it into a leg extension and we're just going to tap in front and to the back. So your knee wants to be in the middle of the mat and all you're going to do is extend and tap and forwards back. You might be thinking, well, why does she talk throughout her workouts? Well, if I don't give you little cues about the best way to get the maximum results, then you are not going to have those best results. And that's where everybody here gets the best results because I'm giving you little cues. Adjust this hand, make sure that it's directly underneath your shoulder, that your hips are on top of each other, and then that you are extending nice and long. You're getting that full range of motion all the way to the back and all the way to the front. Pull your core in nice and tight. Remember, we are still strengthening your core. You're working on your balance right here. So a little step in front and tapping back. See if you can get that a little bit longer. Out in front and all the way further to the back for the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, straight over to the other side. Bring that hand directly underneath your shoulder. I'm going to extend that leg out to the back. Now, if your wrists hurt, you can always take it into your thumb position. Knee wants to be in the middle of the mat so that you know exactly where that full range of motion is right here. Pull your core in nice and tight, lifting up through your chest. Think about somebody has a piece of string that they are pulling all through the top of your spine, all the way back. Here we go, little tap in front and all the way back. So good, so smooth. You're doing so amazing, everybody. All right, here we do. We're doing amazing. You're doing so great. Come on. We're going to go all the way through to the end. We're going to get this win today. If this win is you getting through this workout, don't let that go to waste, okay? We're going to make that win happen. All the way back and all the way in front. Here we go. Looking good for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Okay, here we go. We're going to take it into a high plank, but we're going to take it knee in towards our chest. Modified version, all you're going to do is you're going to stay on your knees. You're going to bring it in towards your chest. We're going to make it a little bit more challenging. You want to come up onto your toes and you're going to squeeze your glutes, straight line from your head all the way through, and you're just going to bring that knee in towards your chest. Now press down firmly into the mat. Spread your fingers nice and wide to have that control, and then bring the knee slow and controlled, one at a time, in towards you. Here we go. So great. This is just a quick, short workout, so you can get through this. You're halfway there already. Do not quit. Just see if you can do a couple more reps. Of course, rest, take a sip of water anytime that you need. We've got this for 10 seconds. Extend that leg all the way back, and here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release those knees down. You're gonna come back onto your back, lying all the way down. We're gonna bring one knee in towards our chest. So let's start off with bringing that right knee in towards our chest. We're gonna extend that leg long, and we're gonna take it into just tiny little pulses right here. You can take it as low as you can, whatever feels good. Most importantly, relax your shoulders. Relax everything else. No tension in your neck or your jaw. And we're just taking little pulses. Now, if you're not pregnant, you want to make this even harder, you can take this knee away and you can take little pulses right here. But remember, whatever feels good for your body if you are pregnant. If you're not pregnant, okay, push yourself a little bit, okay? Here we go. Little pulses up and down. And look, if you love longer workouts for pregnancy, I do have a full pregnancy program coming to the Burn by Rebecca Louise app. So it will be available. I'm just in the middle of filming it. You'll get all the updates when it is out. And gently release, okay? Shake out those legs, wiggle them a little bit. We're gonna take it over to the other side. So bring your hand wrapped around the top of your knees. We're gonna extend that leg out and we're gonna take those little pulses. So wherever you wanna be at the top here, you wanna be low down, whatever feels good. We're just gonna hold onto this leg nice and tight, and we're gonna take these little pulses up and down. Again, I want you to focus on tucking your hips underneath. You don't want any gap between your back and the mat, because otherwise we're gonna damage our lower back and we're not gonna be working our core. So little pulses right here. Your chest is down. You're lifting up through. You're breathing. You're smiling. You're doing awesome. We got one more exercise after this. We got to do a quick series of Kegel exercises. And that's why you always want to stay to the end of my workouts, because the Kegels is where it's all about. That is what is the sort of main focus, right, when we're doing pregnancy workouts. Give me one more and gently release. Okay, we're going to bring those feet hip-width distance apart. Bring them a little bit further away from you. Tuck your hips underneath. Now, you want to imagine that you have got a marble and that you are lifting the marble up through your pelvic floor, and then you're going to hold it and then you're going to release. So what I want you to do is, as you inhale, you then exhale, and as you exhale, that's when you lift up, okay? So then you hold for 3, 2, 1. We'll vary it with 3 and 5 seconds. Relax everything, and here we go. Inhale through your nose. Now as you exhale, now lifting up through those 3 areas of your pelvic region, and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. There we go again. Now inhale. And as you exhale, lifting up, and now we're gonna hold here for 3, 2, 1, and the last time, inhale and exhale, hold and lift for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. You never want to skip those ones, especially if you are pregnant. Well, it's great anyway for your whole pelvic floor, whatever age you're at, to really have a strong pelvic area. Well, amazing job, everybody, on our core workout. If you want to keep on working your core, I do have 2 more pregnancy certified workouts right here for you. So make sure that you jump on board and you get 1 more workout done, and you can have 2 wins for today. All right, let's go.